BabyBus.
Train of Fantasy. Well, how can we get over there?
Take Train of Fantasy. Go straight and you will see the train station.
All right, let's go right now. Rudolph, Alan, Momo, Hank, we're coming.
Goodbye.
Take care.
Look, they're leaving.
Where do they think they're going? Go after them. Full power. Move over.
Oh, yeah. We're stuck again. The train station of fantasy. We're finally here.
But which train should we take?
Let's go ask somebody. Huh?
Mr. Kangaroo? Excuse
What
me.
do you think about this pose? Cool, right? I bet it is.
Mr. Kangaroo, we are here to ride the train of fantasy.
Huh? Oh, I'm sorry. Where are you heading?
We're going to Departure Mountain.
Departure Mountain? Then you should take the 4th train.
The 4th train. Got it.
Wait,
Huh? What is it?
remember this. You must count from the direction of the arrow.
We got it. Thank you very much.
It's 4th in the direction of the arrow.
Doo-doo, which one is the 4th train?
Let me show you.
Let's say it together. BabyBus Magic Math. Woo!
Let's find the 4th train in the direction of the arrow. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. That's it. Kids, is this the 4th train? Let's count it one more time. 1st,
2nd, 3rd, 4th. This is the right one.
Kids, let's go check.
Let's check again with the train attendant.
Excuse me, is this the 4th train going to Departure Mountain?
Yes, this is the 4th train.
Oh, it says 4 on the train.
We found the train. Let's get on board.
Wait. Here are your train car numbers.
Number 1, number 2, number 3. These are our cars.
Yes, you must sit in the right seat.
Doo-doo is in car 1. Mew Mew is in car 2. And I am in car 3.
Come on, let's go find our train cars.
Kids, do you know how to count the train cars? Let's say it together. BabyBus Magic Math. The car numbers should be counted from the front of the train to the back. 1, 2, 3.
Doo-doo is number 1, so you are in the first car. Here.
That's right. I should get in the first car.
I am number 2, so I will sit in the second car.
I am number 3, so I will sit in the third car.
First,
Second.
That's right, you found the right cars.
Train of Fantasy will soon depart. Passengers who have not yet boarded, please hurry.
The train is leaving! We're late! Yellow Power, hurry up!
Where are you going?
Departure Mountain!
Departure Mountain again. Take the 4th train. Oh? Hey, one more thing. You need to count from the direction of the arrow. Which train are you taking?
The 4th!
Okay, here are the car numbers. Oh? Huh? Why is the arrow pointing backwards?
Find the 4th. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. It's this one. First, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. I'm number 4, so I should ride the 4th car. Yellow Power, you take the 5th car. Blue Power, you take the 6th.
Huh? Where are Kiki and Mew Mew?
You're sitting in my seat.
No way! I'm in the 4th carriage.
This is the 6th train.
What are you doing? This is my seat. Let me go! Wah!
Yellow Power, are you alright? Huh?
Train of Fantasy is departing! Departure Mountain, here we come!
We got on the wrong train!
Oh, no.
What's wrong with you? Go after them!